here with interior designer Gina Avino. Today she will be teaching us how to make a holiday garland.
We start with a garland. We have to open it. Okay, open it up. All right, usually the garlands come folded like this. All right, we'll first plug it in and make sure it works.
I think it works.
Okay, main purpose of a garland is you can hang it around your front door, you could hang it on your fireplace, you could lay it on a credenza or a side table. So I use 2 ribbons. I always use a mesh for sparkle, and I cut it usually like a little rabbit ear. So we wrap and tie a couple of loops. Oh my God, Mia.
I'm so
Don't.
How did you do that?
We're gonna leave a space and we're going to take our second ribbon.
When do you start decorating people's homes for the holidays?
We're starting actually this year, October 12th, which is
Oh, so
Tuesday.
you started already?
No, November
November
12th. Ooh,
Wow.
yes. Because this year, Thanksgiving is a little bit later and it doesn't give us enough time. And a lot of people go away for Thanksgiving, so they don't care if their house is decorated. And then take one of these. Hopefully there's one close by that doesn't have lights on it, and you can leave it up like that and you keep moving. Fold it in half, pick the bottom up, and let's find the center.
Where do you get the inspiration for all the flowers and ribbons you put into your garlands?
Well, the thing is, we have a large stock in the back. So before I do a garland, I just look at all my selection and I figure we have a lot of garlands, if you could look up there, and wreaths that are silver and gold. This one, I figured we put some traditional red in.
What are some challenges you faced having a brick and mortar store?
Rent. Also, the internet. Now people can buy garlands anywhere. They can price it on Amazon, Wayfair, but the thing is, if you come into a brick and mortar store, you see what you get. You don't know what you get on the internet.